Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to save photos and videos from Instagram to your gallery. So what you have to do is just open your Instagram application, go in the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. Then in the top right corner just hit that three lines icon and select settings and privacy. And right here, if you scroll down, you'll see this section right here, your app and media, and you have to select the first option, archiving and downloading. And right here you will see this option, saving to camera roll, and you have to make sure that you have this option toggled on, save original photos. And if you toggle on that option when you're making a video or a photo on Instagram with your camera, it will be automatically saved to your phone gallery. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.